Hello, in today's project I'm going to show you how I made a simple but cool French cleat quick draw hot glue gun holder. All of my French cleat tool holders hold the tool the way you're going to grab it and keep all the ammunition for said tool right there in the mount, in case you need to grab it quickly because of an emergency. There are lots of battery-powered hot glue guns out there. I use DeWalt Batteries and have a Mellif hot glue gun. It's a company that makes stuff that's compatible with DeWalt batteries. I don't know them, but if you have DeWalt batteries, you might want to check them out. They make some interesting stuff. But even if you don't have one of these, you can finagle the measurements that I put together to build your own hot glue gun quick draw system like mine. The first step is to cut a 7-inch long piece of wood from 5.5-inch wide scrap. I haven't figured out the width yet, but this should be wide enough. My glue gun body is 2 inches tall, so I cut 2 2x7 and 2 2x4 strips from some other scrap that I had. My glue gun is 43 millimeters wide, or 1.69 inches, but I found millimeters easier to use here. To figure out the width I needed, I drew out the width of the 4-inch strips, the width of the glue sticks, the width of the 7-inch strips, with the glue gun width in the center. Now I know we can cut off this edge. The whole thing ended up being 4.5 inches wide. Next, I used the 4-inch pieces to mark what I need to cut off for the glue sticks. And I end up with this T-shaped piece that matches the measurements I need. And now, we glue everything.
The next day.
For the bottom plate, I take a 4.5-inch wide piece of scrap, put it against the glue gun, and mark where I need to cut it. This bottom piece supports the glue gun and keeps it from falling out. And then I cut it and glue it to the bottom of the stack. The tool holder can store 8 glue sticks. If you need more, you can put a 9th glue stick in the back of the gun. If you need more than 9 glue sticks, I have to ask, what are you doing in your shop that requires so much glue? The glue gun wobbles a bit in the square holder, so I put a scrap shim in that holds it in place. Scraps, is there anything they can't do? The backer board is cut 4.5 inches wide and just long enough to cover 2 French cleats for stability purposes. Also, because this allows other French cleats to be installed below it, because you want to pack stuff onto your French cleat wall. Then I cut a 4.5-inch French cleat from my French cleat reserve. What, you don't have French cleats already cut and just laying around? And that leaves us with this oddly but specifically shaped box that does everything we need it to do. Now we just need to mount it to the backer.
8 hours later.
One more French cleat tool holder added to the French cleat wall. As you see, I've got room for expansion. If you want to see what I've done in the past or what I'm doing in the future, check out my French cleat playlist where I document all this stuff, or like and subscribe to the channel and ring that bell so you'll see all the future projects, because I sometimes use these tools to actually build things. That's it for now. I'll see you next time.